Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power state is stable. Plug the laptop in or note the battery percentage so brightness changes behave predictably. Next, open the Start menu and type Windows Mobility Center. Press Enter to open it quickly. You do this because Mobility Center consolidates brightness controls. If Mobility Center is missing, open Control Panel Hardware and Sound. Also confirm your display adapter drivers are installed and up to date so Windows actually exposes brightness controls. You now adjust brightness precisely. In Mobility Center, drag the monitor brightness slider to the desired level. Notice the difference when on AC versus battery power because power plans can override settings. Once done, open Control Panel Power Options, change plan settings to set separate brightness for on battery and plugged in. If you don't see sliders, open Device Manager. Expand display adapters and update or reinstall the driver. Windows needs the correct driver to expose brightness controls. You finish by saving power plan changes and testing brightness across a reboot and after sleep so the setting persists. If changes don't stick, reboot the PC after any driver update and check BIOS or UEFI for vendor brightness toggles. Some laptops have firmware control. If it still fails, reinstall the monitor driver in Device Manager, run Windows Update, and use your manufacturer's support utility. These steps resolve driver or firmware conflicts that commonly block brightness controls in Windows 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.